Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox outfit codes. First, let's talk about finding them. Outfit codes are like special keys for specific clothing items or entire looks in Roblox. You can find these unique identifiers on many community websites, social media, or even shared by other players. It's always a good idea to double-check the code and what it represents to ensure it's exactly what you're looking for before you proceed. Next, you'll need to access the avatar editor. Whether you're on the Roblox website or using the application, simply find and click on the Avatar or Avatar Editor section. This is typically located in the left-hand navigation menu. This dedicated space is where you can fully customize your character's appearance, experiment with different styles, and manage all the items you own, preparing you for the next step. Now for the crucial part, entering your outfit code. Once you're in the avatar editor, search for an option that allows you to input codes. This might be labeled Advanced or Specifically Outfit Codes. Carefully type or paste the numerical code into the provided input field. After you've entered it, confirm your selection to apply the new outfit or individual item directly to your avatar, instantly changing your look. Finally, let's save and enjoy your new look. After applying the code, take a moment to review your avatar's appearance to make sure everything is just right. Then, save your updated outfit as a new costume in your avatar inventory. This makes it super easy to switch back to this look anytime you want. Remember, you can store up to 50 different outfits, giving you plenty of options for expressing your unique style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.